Hello, this is Dr. Christian Makary, and I am pleased to be part of the upcoming CAP event, the 13th Dental Facial Cosmetic Conference that will be held in the next November in Dubai. I will be lecturing on accelerated loading protocol, and I will be focusing on the synergy that exists between implant geometry and bone biology. Today, in your everyday clinical practice, if you want to predictably load your implant immediately or as early as 4 weeks, it is very important to use an implant that have macro and micro features that will enable you to achieve predictable primary stability in any type of bone, but also predictable and quick secondary stability during the first weeks of healing. This is the key to achieve successfully your accelerated loading protocol. I hope that you can attend my lecture. It will be on the 20th of November at 2 p.m. Dubai time, and it is an online lecture.